Welcome again. In this video I will guide you how to lock picture in MS Word that no one can delete it. So for this you need to click on the developer on the main tab and click on the picture content control icon. And now click on this icon box and select the file which you want to protect. You can resize it. And then again go to the developer tab and click on the properties and give a title name, for example nature, and click on this the bounding box, give a color to the red and check this content control cannot be deleted, and also contents cannot be edited. Click on that and click OK to apply, and now it is protected. If someone is trying to delete it, it will not be deleted. So this way you can easily lock picture in MS Word that no one can delete it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.